If you want to prepare for UPSC mock interview session, then definitely you should check with Plutus IS Coaching Institute mock interview preparation. Guys, you can look at the panelists, they all have a good experience. Okay, and apart from this, the kind of exposure that you will be getting at Plutus IS for your interview experience, it will be phenomenal. It will help you out really in understanding the nitty gritties or the testing arenas in the real time UPSC civil services interviews. You can look at the panelist and kind of the ambience and exposure that the students are getting when they are into the premises. They learn, they get interacted with lot of big and experienced personalities, like what happens in the real time UPSC interview, right? In the UPSC interview also you will be having 4 to 5 people or maybe more who will be testing you. So same kind of replication is there at Plutus IS Coaching Institute. Plutus IS Coaching Institute, as we all know, that it is rank 1 IS coaching center for UPSC and civil services examination preparation. So when it comes to doing mock interviews, or when it comes to the final stage of preparation, then also Plutus IS Coaching Institute has now become the number one UPSC coaching center across India. As we all know that the candidates who are selected for the personality test are usually 2.2 times the candidates who appear for the main exam. That depends upon the vacancy. This is the reason it is very important that you need to be very well prepared for UPSC civil services examination. And for that, Plutus IS keeps on conducting the rigorous and continuous mock interview session, because the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. I repeat, the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. That's what Plutus IS Coaching Institutes believe in. If you want to have a very good preparation for UPSC mock interviews, if you want to bleed less in the war, definitely Plutus IS Coaching Institute should be your first choice for civil services examination preparation.